Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome you to a wonderful video about cue cards. Well guys, as you know already that in the month of January, then after that we've got April, like May, January, February, March, April, and then May, and then September, they change cue cards. Okay, one of the IELTS teachers, actually, he has done this research. He has checked this as well. I watched his video on YouTube also. So according to his research, after every 4 months, they change the speaking topics, cue cards, and all that. Anyways, the bottom line is I have received 17 new cue cards with the help of my students who appear in IELTS exam from 1st May onwards. And I am willing to share these cue cards with you. Okay? Well, in fact, my students appeared in IELTS exam, and right after their speaking test, they sent me this message, and there they wrote the whole cue card. And by the way, if you know the cue card, your part 3 depends on cue card. So if cue card comes like of your choice or from the preparation list, if it comes from there, your 60-70% speaking is actually done because it depends on cue card, right? So those 17 cue cards along with the possible answers, you can find them in the description box of this video. And if you have your speaking test from today onwards, most definitely these cue cards are going to be very, very helpful. And once again, I'm literally thankful to my students, and they're not from one country. Some of them, they were from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, some were in Arab countries, and a couple of cue cards I got from Canada, Australia. So it's just a collection like that. And by the way, cue cards are same all over the world. Thank you so much, guys. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.